Illuminate your workspace with this remarkable diode work light. No magic involved, just the power of 36 LED bulbs that excel on their own, providing 6 hours of continuous illumination on a single charge. The tough polycarbonate housing ensures durability against shocks, and its swivel mounts with built-in magnets offer flexibility. Need hand-free lighting? Attach the light to a special frame, making it incredibly handy even under a car or during a fishing trip. Elevate your work experience with this versatile and useful tool, available at the attractive cost of $105. Don't miss out on this brilliant solution for your lighting needs. Revolutionize your living space with our cutting-edge technology that transforms your home into a smarter, simpler, and safer haven, enabling you to indulge in more of what you love. Our storage systems are the epitome of innovation, boasting smartphone control and compact designs. Tailored for various needs, we offer specialized versions for bicycles, kayaks, and versatile models like the 4x4-foot cargo platform, capable of holding up to 360 pounds. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can synchronize up to 4 lifters, and our intelligent app ensures safety by detecting and preventing overload, giving you peace of mind. Unlock the potential of your garage with the world's smartest, easiest, and most stylish storage system, proudly presented by the MYLIFTER team. Engineered to perfection, this system effortlessly handles loads up to 45 kilograms, making it ideal for storing bikes, lawn mowers, and other garage essentials. Designed like a versatile Lego set, multiple platforms can seamlessly collaborate, offering limitless configurations. Tailored kits cater to specific needs, including an innovative setup to lift 3 bikes simultaneously. Plus, for car aficionados with removable hardtops, a robust option supports a remarkable load of 200 kilograms. Brighten up your space with the next-level lighting solution, a versatile marvel perfect for garages, bars, clubs, and gyms, offering a modular system with what the seller boldly claims is the easiest installation on the market. While hexagons are the standard, you can request other shapes to suit your aesthetic. The smallest hexagon, measuring 38 inches by 33 inches, houses 6 durable LED tubes, promising a radiant glow for an impressive 60,000 hours. Take your pick from classic white, soothing pink, or vibrant blue. Plus, in 2023, they unveiled new RGB variants with remote color control, adding a dynamic touch to your lighting experience. Elevate your surroundings with these luminous hexagons, each starting at an enticing $84. Discussing the realm of vehicles, a few years ago in the US there were approximately 278 million cars, representing over 1 billion wheels that demand maintenance, replacement, and storage. It appears the innovators behind this lift couldn't have picked a more opportune time to unveil their version 2.0, elevating wheels up to 5.3 meters high while requiring only 1.4 meters of space between racks for maneuvering. This lift can effortlessly handle up to 180 kilograms of weight. Depending on the battery, it boasts a runtime of either 3 or 10 hours, and as a cool standard feature, they even throw in a rear-view camera. In today's lineup, let's explore some ramps crafted from polymer, boasting strength akin to steel, as per the manufacturer's claim. Witness their resilience. 2 standard ramps can effortlessly support up to 12,000 pounds, while the Max version ramps up the capacity to an impressive 16,000 pounds. Designed to accommodate even low-clearance cars, these ramps allow for a gentle 17-degree drive-in angle. The setup is a breeze, enabling you to perform car maintenance tasks like an oil change with ease, before conveniently stowing them away. Featuring hollow elements that stack neatly, these patented ramps come at a starting price of $50 per pair. This speed booster is designed to aid you with your wheels. Additionally, this tool expedites the process of tire inflation, which proves particularly useful when fitting new tires on wide rims, or when dealing with tires that have been in storage for an extended period and may have lost their shape. The showcased model on the screen comes equipped with an 18-liter tank, capable of handling pressures up to 16 bars. You have the flexibility to adjust the working pressure within the range of 3 to 8 bars. The built-in pressure gauge ensures you can easily monitor and control the pressure, and the ergonomic handle facilitates convenient portability. If your cherished car is causing issues, and you find yourself needing to lift it for repairs without the financial means for a car lift, you can employ a resourceful trick. By tapping into the fundamentals of physics and using your imagination, you can lift both the back and front parts of the car without the need for any additional accessories, power, or complex mechanisms. It's worth noting that commenters have suggested a few enhancements. Firstly, the inventor might consider addressing the potential for scratches on the floor. Secondly, implementing a safety system is deemed essential. Nevertheless, with some ingenuity and care, you can confidently use your homemade lift for necessary repairs. As one section of the workshop concentrates on wheels, the other specializes in bodywork. During such tasks, having a helpful companion like the spot welding machine proves invaluable. This tool efficiently heats up metal in specific areas, delicately securing it and aiding in the removal of dents. The double-sided welding mode enhances its versatility, making it ideal for tasks such as patch installation, transforming it into an all-encompassing tool for various applications. The model displayed on the screen adds to its practicality by being cordless and weighing approximately 4 kilograms, ensuring ease of use and maneuverability in the workshop. Motorcycles, though more compact than cars, present their own challenges when it comes to transportation. In 2020, a staggering 44 million units were sold, emphasizing the need for specialized tools. Stands designed for motorcycles proved to be invaluable in simplifying the process of placing them in truck beds and maneuvering them within tight spaces such as garages and workshops. For instance, the Japanese version of these stands provides a kit comprising 2 wheels and a bearing, measuring 545 by 275 millimeters. Priced at $112, this tool not only facilitates the handling of motorcycles but also proves useful when working on car wheels, showcasing its versatility and practicality in various automotive applications. In 2020, an impressive 148,000 tractors were sold in the United States, Canada, and Europe. This surge in agricultural and commercial vehicle sales underscores the increased workload for mechanics, not to mention the attention required for various other machines. Fortunately, the market offers specialized tools to address these demands, such as the one designed explicitly for agricultural and commercial vehicles. This tool boasts a formidable ratio of 58:1 and a torque capacity of up to 4,000 Newton-meters. Even dealing with rusty and stubborn bolts and nuts becomes a manageable task. The set, priced at $236, includes the tool itself along with 2 heads measuring 33 and 38 millimeters, ensuring versatility and efficiency in handling a range of fasteners and components. If your homemade car lift has unintentionally bent your vehicle, turning it into spare parts doesn't mean the end of its utility. You can transform the damaged car into a unique source of income by repurposing it into furniture, such as a couch. Similar items can be found both in DIY garages and online stores, where you can discover and purchase creatively designed pieces like a Ford Mustang sofa for around $3,000. The market offers various options, including beds, desks, pool tables, and even sinks crafted from recycled car parts, allowing one damaged car to become the foundation for distinctive furniture pieces that can adorn several rooms and impress your car-loving friends.